What it do, everybody? I want to welcome everybody back to the channel. Just want to thank everybody again for watching, liking, definitely subscribing and commenting on the content. What I've noticed so far right now is that I've been on YouTube for months now, and through all my videos, I don't think that I've actually thoroughly introduced myself. So let me go ahead and say, welcome to the Lynch Fishing channel. My name is Terrence Lynch. That's why we got Lynch Fishing. This is what I be doing. I've been fishing for 20 plus years since I was 6 years old. I'm 31 now. Was born in New York, raised here in the great state of North Carolina, and right now I got this awesome body of water here to myself with plenty of cover and bass in here. I came out here before and caught me a hefty 5-pound bass out of here, so I decided to come back out here again and see if we can hook up with some fish. One thing that I am going to be doing today that I want to try, I don't know if you heard of it, but there's an app out here. There's tons of apps, but for fishing in particular, you can definitely find me on FishBrain, of course. That's definitely linked down in the bottom of the description here. Also, I'm trying out the Bass Force app, and what it does is gives you the opinions of 9 professional bass fishermen, and they'll give you, the best lures, best colors, just for any given situation right now. So it's suggested that I should be out here throwing a square bill crankbait and a bladed jig in this dingy water with, shallow wood cover, and also got submerged grass out here. So I'm gonna see what I can hook up with as far as the bass go and see what we can catch. Here we are back in action. Lost my jig, so threw on a 3/8 ounce never chip Wu Tungsten weight Texas rig. Got the BioSpawns Vile bug out there. Still going through all this heavy cover trying to find that good old magical bite. I was really working that jig through cover, then it finally decided to get hung up on something. Ooh. Let y'all get a good look at that real quick. Peg my way all the way down, so I got and I got a little wool bead on there as well. Yeah, right there. Parts. There's only another option I can try. Man, that's what that was. Bass on the bed. Can't believe it too. That sucker was big. I'll put this up for right now, so I really don't have much. That won't be no good where that just easily popped out. Put that back. Let's see if we can't net her out of it. I have my reserves about that one. Gotta get this net on there. Get a little Palomar together. And that's why I probably didn't feel the bite. She didn't want me to know. She was there. I'm still rather disappointed in myself that I did not secure that bite, because that is a big bass there. I gotta get this. This can definitely easily be my PB right there. Alright, so I got some Koshi bug on there. I made that big bass bite. Unintentionally. I don't think she can hear me. Oh, there's a deer out that way, okay. I'm gonna pick it up and bite it. Got it this time. Got it this time. Oh yeah. That's definitely. Oh yeah. Cause that's easily. Got it this time to bite. Okay. Okay. I gotta land this thing now. Cause she's trying to. Yeah. Alright. Let me grab this beauty here. Yeah, she's clearly 5. I'm just trying to get her to calm down, not trying to lose her. She's still trying to, give me head shakes here. Got it this time. There we go, finally. Whew. All right. Got that big girl. I saw you bite this time, baby. Oh yeah. Let's talk about this butte right here. Oh man, let me get all that footage right there. Y'all see it right there. Tungsten Ned head, 10,000 fish, a Koshi bug. She was on the bed. She bit me the first time and I didn't get her, but this time the catch has been secured. I can go home now. Boy, it has been so hard out here trying to get a bite, but here we are. Finally got this monster bass right here. Caught her on that 10,000 fish, a Koshi bug. Let me get that right there. And a Tungsten's Ned head jig. Finally got that bite I was looking for, and she is heavy. All right, so glad to finally get a bite, catch a bass. Felt good, even if it's on the bed sometime, but you just want to get that bite. Whew. I'm loaded out of shape, had to run and get back to this car real quick. But I hope y'all enjoy. Can't wait to put this video up as I get my breath together. And I'll just catch y'all next time. Please don't forget to continue to like and subscribe. You can tell I'm tired. Also, if you want to try Tungsten products, you can get 10% off. I have a discount code in the description. So please try some out. As you can see, they definitely work.